Introducing the 2014 Nissan Frontier. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the midsize pickup segment. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and air conditioning. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.